Hey, what's up?
Hello.
My name's Lane Jay.
Hi, I'm Allie.
And today, it's actually already 12:30, but we did a lot. We went to a garage sale. Today, and we got some cool stuff. We've been wanting tables, like eating tables that you can eat in the living room and have a table, like the small square tables. And usually at Walmart, they're like $9 for one. We got 4 and a stand holder to hold them in, all for only $3 at this garage sale. It was so awesome. So we did get that, and then we got some other stuff there, just like little stuff. But that's the thing I'm really excited about. Then we just went to TJ Maxx. Well, we went to, where did we eat again?
We ate at
Jimmy John's. We ate at Jimmy John's, but next time we go to Jimmy John's, we both get a free sub because we signed up for rewards and shit like that. Also, look, with TJ Maxx, that's what happened at TJ Maxx. Let me show you. Alright guys, so we got this at TJ Maxx. We're getting rid of our, what is it called? Filing cabinet and just putting everything in here. Because we literally got it for only $4. I really thought it was $3, damn it. $4 worth. And then we got this for $3. And then we smashed it. Look at that.
I'm gonna save it.
We got it for $3, but $3 for what? You not see all that? What we got for $3. Heavy as hell. Look at this. And then they just come off. See that? We got it for, I don't know where the sticker right there. Got it for $3. Look at these. How cool are they? They just go back into the spots. See? And you just take it out like that. And it like that, and it makes a table. And you just like this, and you go like this, and put it back. And there's 1, 2, 3, 4, and then the stand holder. How cool is this thing? Alright, we got our snow cones. Look at this, guys. Hey, look at that. This is all free. That's pretty cool. We're on the rich side of town, and everything's free here. Look at that. That's really cool. Look at that. Alright guys, it is freezing, but look, we got food, free food. We're gonna be anywhere there's free stuff.
Where's your brother?
I'm good. Look at that. It's pretty cool, but it's the freezingest day ever. It's freezing.
Hey, do you want to stay because I went to?
Hey, what's up, guys? So there's a free table right there that all you have to do is write your name in there, and we won. My name got chose.
On the ground.
Look, they were yelling Clayton Reeves, and I was on the floor tying my shoe, and I'm like, I'm Clayton Reeves. They're like, you won. The prize over there. So this is what we won. We're getting this for Allison's dad because he loves to grill. So, oh yeah, that's pretty cool.
This is how you know you live in Iowa.
Look, guys. Literally freaking horses. Slow down, do not run over a horse.
Why is that one doing circles?
Yeah, I don't know.
Is it okay?
Look at that. They're doing
God.
horsey rides. They're doing horsey.
Hello.
That's so funny.
They're all riding horses.
And we're literally.
Pony who's not getting ridden.
Wait, really? I didn't even see
Yeah,
that.
look in the ditch on my side. Do you see it?
Oh, that's so sad. There's a
walking
baby.
I think they're just like.
All right, guys. And we got the dogs back there. We got their dogs swimming, and we're at the
Is this a new one?
beach. What new one?
Like new video, or is this from?
This is gonna be the yesterday video because I forgot to update them, and so it's gonna be the same video from yesterday. No,
What?
someone's in our spot over there. We'll still go down there. I mean, we could probably go down there in the swimming area. There's it, guys. This is our like 5th time coming.
That does suck that they're down there now.
Yeah, like that right there. Those guys are right there. You guys can see. Guys, you want to go swimming, don't you, baby? I see
Okay,
ya.
let's get going.
You wanna go outside? You wanna go on a walk? You wanna go on a walk? On a walk? Molly sounds like a little pig. All right, we are eating now. Jimmy John's. And we're by the beach, lake, whatever you want to call it. There it is. We got the dogs down there for now, and we are gonna go swimming. Sit. Go get it. 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 Come on, Molly. Come on. Look how good they are in those. Come on back. Come on back. I wish they stopped pedaling to see if it like saves them, you know? Good boy. You're so good. You're the goodest. Yeah.
That was really good, Bubba.
Come on, guys. Yeah. Oh, Momo. Come here, Bubba. Come here. Here, Polo. Come here. He's like, nope, not today. Momo, come here, baby girl. Yeah. Yeah. Go get it. You all barks, but you're not gonna go get it? She's like, sure. Here, right here.
Oh my God, Polo.
Here, this one right here. Go get it. Good boy. Good boy. Hey, you don't need it. Look, you're good. You're good. I mean, it's their second time wearing it, so I think they're doing really good for their second time ever wearing it. Look at Mo. What are you doing, girl? Oh, they're precious.
Oh!
Oh, my boy found a stick.
He just set it up on land. He's like, I'm gonna save you.
Oh, look what we found.
What?
We found one of the coconut, or whatever you call it. What do you call it?
Walnut.
A walnut. Get the walnut. It's right there. Molly found it. Molly found it. Oh, thank you. She got me the walnut. Okay, you ready? Molly got me the walnut. Okay, we're gonna do this stick.
Oh, fuck. Damn, that's a long ways out.
Oh, he's gonna get the stick.
You might have to go save him.
Yeah, I might. Oh, get the stick. Get the
No,
stick.
he can't get the stick.
It's right there. Molly got the walnut. Oh, she dropped it. She dropped it. Come on, buddy. Come on.
Come on, Bull.
Come on.
Kick.
You're this close to getting there. But Molly got the walnut. I didn't think walnuts
Float.
float. I guess they do. Ready?
Give him a minute to breathe though in
They
between
do
things.
float. Wait, where? Oh, they do float.